Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, alright, somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. I do feel like somebody had to walk away from some type of toxic situation here. And money could definitely be involved because, I just looked here. That's the Eight of Pentacles. So you got the Five of Pentacles reversed, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so the Seven of Pentacles, that's reversed too. So anyway, money. Somebody was definitely in some type of situation for money. So maybe whoever you were dealing with, Scorpio, maybe they were dealing with some type of like karmic soulmate. It's just like maybe they had to deal with some type of lesson on their end as well. But I do feel like, you walked away from this situation because this person made you feel like you were left out in the cold. But you're coming out of that energy. You're coming out of being frustrated. But yeah, you're no longer putting in the work to try to make things work with them. I feel like if they come back, oh yeah, they have to do it all. Look at that. There's the Eight of Cups. Y'all definitely walked away. Clarify the Eight of Cups, please. Yeah. Scorpio, you're walking away from this person because you feel like you're not going to have a victory with them. You're no longer being positive about this individual here. And yeah, I feel like by you guys walking away, it's allowing you to have a peace of mind about it because you guys were just worrying all the time. Like, y'all were definitely in your head. Didn't know what to think, what to believe. So at this point, it's like maybe you guys found something out. Or you just use your intuition. You're like, you know what? You're not going to play me. I'm over it. Somebody's definitely in some type of codependent situation. So it could, again, been because of finances. Or there's addictions here affecting your life. Your love life here. Tell me about the Page of Pentacles reversed for Scorpio, please. Okay. I feel like with the Eight of Wands here, this person's getting ready to come and communicate with you. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but they're going to come and tell you everything. They want to give you the truth. They were in some type of codependent situation, so they want to talk to you. But they feel like they're scared to come and talk to you. They think you're going to end it. You've already ended it. You walked away, but they think you're going to end it. So they're like, oh, God. But, yeah, they're coming. Tell me more. Yeah, I feel like they don't want you to look back at the past. It could be you guys just moving on. You're like, you know what? You can come towards me all you want. But I don't want to look back at the past anymore. I'm tired of dealing with you. But you guys, judgment is here. And then your card came out. This is saying that you need to make a decision because you're saying this to this person. But somewhere deep down inside, you're still holding on because you care about this person. You love this person. But you don't care for the way that they've been treating you. And I don't blame you at all. I walk too. Death is here. They're saying something needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. Tell me more. Tell me about the Death card. Yeah, somebody's weighing up some options here, Scorpio. This is you trying to figure out what to do. You're back and forth if you want a new beginning with this person or not. Is pregnancy in the air or something? Like, oh my God, you guys are like the fifth sign. I swear, you're like the third sign. It's pregnancy is here. So I don't know what's in the water, what's in the air. If you ain't trying to get pregnant, you better put on a mask. So be careful. But maybe some of you guys don't know what. Oh my God, yeah. Okay, maybe some of you guys don't know what to do. Maybe you're holding on because maybe some of you guys are pregnant. That's only for some of you. Maybe it's a situation to where you see yourself having a child with this person. You want this new beginning, but at the end of the day, regardless if there's a baby here or not, if you want a new beginning or not, take whatever fits your situation. You're tired of this person stabbing you in the back. So you're getting over that. You're getting out of that energy, but again, you feel like you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here, but there was a lesson for you to learn, Scorpio. So it's asking you to take a step back and reevaluate some things. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but at the end of the day, you guys are just trying to remain positive. You're trying to keep your head up. You guys are really fiery. You're like, yeah, y'all been going off on this individual, but I feel like at this point, y'all are just tired. You feel like, what's the point of even saying anything? Because nothing is changing. Anything that I say or do, it's not working. Look at that. It's 2 people here. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but somebody's in their head because they have to make a decision. It's 2 people here. I've been saying this for a while for y'all, Scorpio, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody's definitely in some type of third-party situation. So I don't know who I'm picking up for, but there's a third party here. It's like somebody is the one that, like, these 2 people are supposed to be together, but this other person is a karmic soulmate, which is somebody who was brought into the other person's life to teach them a lesson. So either which way, everybody has been, you know, dealing with the other person in a past life. But this other individual that's the karmic soulmate, this person only wants the individual because of their money. It's all about what they can do for them financially. Somebody's definitely in their head at this point, and that's why they're moving slow, because they're needing to make a decision. This person is very childish the way they've been handling the situation, but you guys are like, you know what? You can have her. Have her, him, whatever. Like, I'm not going to put myself in this situation anymore. I'm removing myself. You're very childish. You're very immature. If you're married, you're really thinking about getting out of this marriage because this person keeps putting you through things. You're getting out of this commitment because you're realizing that there's no stability with this individual. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus, and somebody is also dealing with an Aries here, but you guys are just over it. You guys are realizing that this person is not bringing you security into your life. They're not secure. There's no stability. You're over it. You're like, no. But somebody's frustrated here, and they're not speaking up. I feel like it's the person who messed up. Somebody is definitely dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but whoever this is, it's like, this is somebody who doesn't speak up about how they're feeling. So if it's like 2 water signs that are dealing with each other, one person is like, has that fiery energy about themselves where they're speaking up. The other person is like, they don't really express themselves. So I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be 2 water signs, but that's just, honestly, I'm picking up for somebody. Somebody's dealing with another water sign here. So yeah, I feel like the person who really isn't speaking up, who, you know, you have to guess how this individual feels about you, they want to come in and give you an offer. Now they're ready to put in the work. It's like after you walked away from them, you're threatening them like, I'm leaving you. I'm getting out of this relationship. I'm getting out of this marriage. You probably filed divorce papers and they got them in the mail and they're like, oh shit. Like, it's, oh, okay, they're not playing with me this time. Like, all right. So now, here they come trying to put in the work because now they want things to improve. They don't want you to leave them. They feel like they're nothing without you. You know, not trying to be funny, but that's just what I'm picking up. But there's just a lot of conflict going on. You guys are arguing. Maybe somebody's arguing because they took some type of financial loss. I told y'all, somebody is dealing with a karmic soulmate and they're taking their money. Look at that. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but you guys are looking at the situation like there's no balance. This person is getting ready to take the lead to come towards you and fix it, but they know that, one, their money isn't where it needs to be. They feel like they messed up so bad, they caused this imbalance in the relationship. But they're taking it day by day. Somebody's taking it day by day and getting stronger here. Look at that. Somebody wants to move forward. Y'all, somebody is pregnant. Y'all, somebody's pregnant. There's a baby. There's a baby. Or somebody... oh, Jesus. Okay. It's not for everybody. Y'all, please don't go around trying to kill somebody. Trying to hurt somebody, because it's not for everybody. But I'm telling y'all, there's a baby here for some of you. But for the others, I feel like this person wants to move forward with you because they see happiness with you, but they're scared that you're going to reject their offer. Look at that. So that's why it's like 1 minute they're stuck at a crossroads. The next minute they made a decision and they want to move towards you. Why is the 6 of Cups here reversed? I feel like they're looking at, you know, what has taken place in the past. Maybe somebody was dealing with someone from the past here that they were undecided about. Now it's like they made a decision. They want to take a leap towards you. But somebody is avoiding the tower moment. Somebody's trying to duck and dodge something from falling down. Clarify the tower. Look at that. Somebody is definitely not using their intuition. Look at that. With the moon in reverse and temperance in reverse. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Pisces here. Somebody also is dealing with a Sagittarius. But I feel like The truth is definitely getting ready to come out. And somebody feels like there is no balance here. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like they want to, whoever messed up, they want a new opportunity with you. They want to come and see you. Somebody at this point is definitely getting out of a legal situation. But again, the truth is coming out. But yeah, I don't know who I'm picking up on, but somebody at this point with the truth coming out, they're like, you know what, I can't do this with you anymore. You know, there's no contentment with you. Our finances aren't good, you know, because you were playing around. You're sneaky. I feel like you need to clean up your act. And so, yeah, this person is coming back in trying to give you a firm offer of commitment now, because now they see that you're not playing with them. And it's sad that it took this long for, you know, them to recognize what they had. Somebody's definitely dealing with a earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But, yeah, it's like they want to give you this offer now. But they're just not doing it. They're not speaking up. It's like one minute they want to come in fast, but the next minute they're like, I don't know. And it's due to the fact that you broke up with them. You ended things with them. So they want to come in and give you, you know, what it is that you want. Some of them, they're buying y'all gifts. But that's not how to fix everything. You can't just be buying your way back in. Like, So, yeah, some of them are getting ready to, like, really give you a gift here to, like, they have to present you with something. Because at this point, they know you're not taking them back for nothing. Like, yeah, look at that. You guys are looking at it like, I don't want to build with you anymore. Those seeds that were planted, I'm over it. Y'all pull them seeds up. I'm tired. And it's like, you don't see anything improving. Y'all are cutting them off. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, but y'all are cutting them off. Look, it's two people again. I'm telling you, there's a third party here. And it's like y'all are trying to have the strength to move away from it, but y'all are over it. Y'all are over it. Somebody's over it. It could be vice versa. Take it however it fits. And so it's like y'all are blocking communication. You're not talking to this individual anymore. There's a lot of conflict going on. There's a lot of drama going on, and y'all don't want to be a part of it. You're like, you know what, I don't see things turning around. But at the end of the day, somebody still wants their family. They want happiness here. But this situation is not balanced. One person is still putting in all the work. They're still doing everything, and the other person is just hanging back, not doing a thing at all to change it. So, yeah. I mean, please, y'all leave me some comments. This one's interesting. This is interesting. So I want to see, you know, how this could possibly play out for y'all. So please, Scorpio, leave me some comments. I will talk to y'all soon. I will talk to y'all soon. I will talk to y'all soon.